Let's review our letters and sound. All right, so let's start with this letter. What letter is this? Yes, this is letter A. And the sound of letter A is perfect. Yes, that is A. 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 How about this letter? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter M. Mommy letter M and the baby letter M. What is the sound of letter M? Good job. Yes, that is mm. Mm. How about this letter? Excellent. Yes, this is letter R. And the sound of letter R is R. R. How about this one? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter S. And the sound of letter S? Excellent. Yes, that is S. How about this letter? What letter is this? Good job. Yes, this is letter N. And the sound of letter N is N. N. How about this one? What letter is this? Letter L. And the sound of letter L is L. L. Perfect. How about this letter? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter K. And the sound of letter K is K. K. Good job. How about this letter? What letter is this? Yes, this is letter C. And the sound of letter C is K. Yes, it's the same. K. So yeah, that is the name of the letters and the sound.